How to scan and repair system files on Windows 10 or 11. You might have experienced that your computer is running slow and encountering an error. It is possible that the cause could be corrupted system files. In this video tutorial, we will demonstrate how to use the SFC tool and DISM tool to scan and repair any system file related errors. Using SFC tool. Steps are: open command prompt as administrator and type sfc/scannow. Wait for some time. This will give you a message if any error is found and repair it automatically. Here you can see the scan is completed and it is giving the message that the error has been repaired. If SFC is unable to repair all of the files, in that case, you can use the DISM tool to repair the system image. A command for this is: you can find this command in the description. Wait for some time until it reaches 100%. Here, you can see I didn't get any errors. If you find any corruption error, then type the next command as shown below. I will provide this command in the YouTube description below. This will restore the Windows image using the files from the Windows update. Wait until it reaches 100%. And if none of the able to repair system files, then you may need to perform a system restore or reinstall Windows. Like, subscribe and press the bell icon for related videos.